Hey guys, good afternoon. I don't know what to say today. Hey guys, good afternoon. How are you today? I hope you're having a good time, right? Yeah, I'm good. The weather is also good, but a while ago it was a little bit rainy. Yeah, nice. So, I am decided that because I am going for vacation, the 1 month vacation here in Australia is the same like Philippines, the same like UAE, that is a paid vacation, 1 month paid vacation. Good afternoon. If I am not mistaken, in Singapore they don't have a 1 month paid vacation. Yeah, that's according to what I've learned from some of my colleagues before. Yes, they only having a long vacation, which is because I think that is just their day off. They connected their day off for them to have long days of vacation. Yeah, I think that is how it works in Singapore. Yeah, but here in Australia it's the same like Philippines, the same like UAE, that you have a 1 month paid vacation, which is 2.5 days per month. So that's basically how it works for the 1 month vacation. Good afternoon. Yeah, I will be traveling by this bike. I don't know. I think I can. I think it's possible. Yeah, and I'm going to do that. Yeah, with my bike, a backpack, and some other stuff. If you notice, that is the reason why I put this rack here. And I also I am going to put back the rack at the back of this bike because of the travel that I am going to do. Yeah, nice. So my original plan is just to go to Queensland by bike. Hey! See you again.
Can I have a go, you boy?
What?
Can I have a quick go? Just there and back again.
Yeah, sure.
Can I have a go, you boy?
Can I have a go?
Oh, it's an electric bike. It's fully. You pedal and it goes.
Hello.
It's got flat tyres.
Huh?
Does it have flat tyres?
Yeah.
Actually?
Whenever they see me, they always try that bike.
Yeah.
Is that a camera?
I'm vlogging.
Are you taking selfies?
Okay, so again I see them with those guys and they try the bike. Nice. Wow, I noticed that the way is very clean. Okay, we're going to sit down there so I can explain very well. Okay, we're going to sit here. Okay, so basically my plan is just to go to Queensland with this bike, and of course very basic. I will have my backpack and maybe another bag that because I'm going to put back here my other rack. So there's a bag here, so that's it. And yeah, my original plan is just to go to Queensland, Gold Coast, Brisbane, because I don't know how many hours or how long I'll be reaching Queensland, because you know I want to travel, relax, no worry, not running for something, just like a normal biking without direction. That's what I want to do. Yeah, like when I'm hungry I will eat, like when I'm tired I will take a rest, and if I found a hotel I will stay. That is where I'm going to, you know, where I'm going to charge my gadget, sleep, take a shower. I'm also thinking of buying a tent, because I don't know, there is a less possibility of me staying in the outside, in the bushland. I don't know, I am scared to do that, but I can do that. Yeah, nice. I don't know. Yeah, but I'm very much courageous to do that, mate. I think I can. I'm sure I can do that. Yeah. Yeah, the only thing that I don't have now is the, you know, the things. I mean, I don't have the backpack, the bag yet, or maybe I can use my bag. And the basic needs like tools to fix the bike, I have that already. Yeah. Yeah. Hey guys, good morning. Yeah, that is my laundry. I just put it outside a while ago, and I am doing this, another one. Yeah, because you know, yesterday I wake up very early, like 3:30, which is normally I wake up at 4 o'clock. Yeah, just to do that laundry. Yeah, I did that yesterday morning, hoping that I am going to dry that yesterday. Yeah, but when I check the weather, there is like a 50% chance of rain, so I didn't able to put it outside. And when I finished my duty yesterday, there is a small rain, so yeah, I didn't put it outside. Just now, just this morning, I put it there, and I'm doing another set of laundry.